Hello everyone! Once again welcome to my channel Travel with Shoshi. And today I'm gonna visit the largest zoological experience in Texas. Yes, today I'm at Dallas Zoo. The zoo is located 3 miles south of downtown Dallas. You'll get the full address, contact number and website address to the description box. Dallas Zoo is the oldest and the largest zoo in Texas, which is around 106 acres. It's founded with just 2 deer and 2 mountain lions in 1888 as the first zoo in the Southwest. Now it provides a home for more than 2,000 animals and representing over 400 species. For taking care of the zoo, there are more than 350 employees and 750 volunteers. This non-profitable Dallas Zoo is open every day except 25th December and welcome more than 1 million visitors yearly. Visiting hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. during spring and summer and 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. during fall and winter. The vision of Dallas Zoo is creating a better world for animals, and the aim is to inspire and empower visitors to take action on behalf of wildlife in Texas and around the world. You will get food court and washroom within the zoo. Overall, ambience and exhibitions are really good. You'll surely enjoy this tour.
to hang out on them. Now, most of the time, if you ever see a opossum that is sick with rabies, it's because they were already sick with something else and had fever, and it was able to host that virus, right? Most of the time, you're going to find rabies in things such as dogs, wolves, cats. Just because they don't carry the rabies virus doesn't mean we're going to go in our backyard and we're going to coyote.
It's time to say bye for today. Coming up with more exciting footage and details of Dollar Chew in next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.